Hello guys, my name is Mark, and today I'm gonna show you my Python project. And as you can see here, my name of my program is PyRocket, which is a game that when you get a high score, it means that the higher your distance is, right? It's called PyRocket because it depends on your high score. So I'm gonna run this. So as you can see here, here's my main menu, and if you don't know how to play, just type B. It will prompt you to the instruction on how to play the game. And then I'm going to type B for getting back to the main menu. And then I'm going to show you the credits because I just want to. Yes, that's my project, my Python project for programming one rather. And I'm going to go back here. And unfortunately, guys, I'm gonna take note on this. My program is still in work, so it doesn't mean it's perfect. It still has errors, but I hope in the future I figure it out. So let's get started with starting the game. So type A. As you can see here, in my structure on my coding, my program, it should have a thread that indicates the time of the game. So in my code shows that in 15 seconds you must type any of these equations. You must build an equation out of this. And then the second problem is that it can't validate the equation you entered. I'm struggling and finding how ways to do it, and I'm going to show you how the simple program works. So I'm going to type something to 5x. But unfortunately, it doesn't also have operators, and that was my third problem. And I'm going to figure out how to fix this one. The problem is, what if here there's a 0 and minus? So you can't just minus a 0, right? It's like 0 and 1. It isn't validated because it's not valid operation. And then I'm gonna type first 25x, just for example. Enter. So another problem, it should be look again on the creating your own equation. While creating your own equation again, it should have multiplied by the score until the time's up. It should be prompt game over. So that's how is it. I hope you enjoy. Um, I'm looking forward to work hard on this program and complete it. Thank you very much.